Okay, I'm not sure. Excuse me. I'm not sure exactly where the memory card filled up. My memory card was filled up. So essentially, what I've been doing is attaching the rails. These right here on each shelf. So there's a gap in there. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna move you guys and set you guys back up on the tripod, and we're gonna do this last shelf here, which is this one. I've already got all the rest of them done. I also had to go get more materials. So it's been a long process to get this rack done. And then we're gonna cut the legs off right here. I've got them already marked 9 inches down, so that I'll give the rack will be just under 60 inches. It'll be about 59 inches tall, being that my ceiling here is pretty low in some spots, so I opted to cut it down an extra inch instead of having it at the 60. I made them extra long for a reason, so we'll go from there then. And then all I have to do then is cut the backing for it and attach that and put the casters on it, and we're pretty much done. Oh, I'm sorry, not pretty much done. We'll have to put the water system on, so bear with me. Okay guys, next step I've got 2 pieces of it's just particle board that I picked up from Menards. That's going to be for the back. It's not anything spectacular. Nobody's going to ever see it, so it's going to be facing away from everything. So I've already got the casters put on. I've got everything squared up as best as I can get it. So that's our next step. Oh, our little pups are running around. Sorry, I just seen one of them running through the cage up there. Eventually all the pups are going to go into one. Once they're weaned, they're going to go into a grow-up tub. I'll probably separate the males and the females, but we'll get into that after I get everything situated here. Once I get the backing on, then it's time to do the water system. So that'll be up next, alright? So stay tuned.